Yeah, this is Skalawa, Silko, money. First I must give God thanks to live to say 2017. Life is not how you want it, life is how you make it. You know what I'm saying? For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. You know? This is my life story, so listen to my life story now. Just listen to my life story.
Yes, I am gonna say that I'm a thug. That's because I came from the gutter and I'm still here. I'm not saying I'm a thug because I want to rob you and rape people and things. No, I'm not angry at them. I'm angry at the system. It's not even about me no more. It's about some nightmare that these people have. But I'm still a survivor, I'm still smiling, still signing autographs. But soon I'm gonna go crazy. I was addicted to the dark side. Somewhere inside my childhood when this my heart died. And even though we both came from the same places, the money and the fame made us all change places. How could it be through the misery that came to pass? The hard times make a true friend afraid to ask for currency, but you can run to me when you need, and I'll never leave. Honestly, someone to believe in, as you can see, it's a small thing to a truth. What could I do? Real homies help you get through. And coming knew he do the same thing if he could. Cause in the hood, true homies make you feel good. And half the times we be acting up, call the cops. Bringing the cease to the peace that was on my block. It never stops when my mama asks me, will it change? I tell her, yeah, but it's clear I'll always be the same until the end of time. These broken wings, I need your hands to come and heal me once again. Until the end of time. My heart still seem to scare all my sister's kids. So I don't hang around the house much. This all night money making got me out of touch. Ain't flashed a smile in a long while. An unexpected birth, worse of the ghetto childs. My attitude got me walking solo. Ride all alone in my Lolo. Watching the whole world moving slow-mo. For 5 times disappear, listen to the ocean. Smoking ports, think my thoughts, then it's back to coasting. Who can I trust in this cold world? My phony homie had a baby by my old girl. But I ain't tripping, I'm a player, I ain't sweating him. I sexy sister had a moment like his next of kin, no remorse, it was meant to happen. Besides rapping, only thing I did good was rapping. Until the end, it's the only crime I've been convicted of is fighting. Hitting somebody in the face with my fist. Hands to come and heal me once again. Until the end of time. Don't get it twisted, this is not my real life. This is not how my real life is supposed to be. These broken wings. Hands that come and heal me once again. Thug life, thug life. Anybody with thug life tattooed on their stomach is guilty. I used to say if I was right or wrong, to live my life as an outlaw all along. Remain strong in this planet full of player haters. They conversate with a death row full of demonstrators. And in the end, drinking Hennessy made all my enemies envy me. Nothing the court can do to punish me more than I've been punished already. By being shot by a time. What I can see closer to achieve. In times of danger, don't freeze. Time to be a G. Follow my lead. I supply everything you need. An ounce of game in the training to make a G. Remember me as an outcast outlaw. Another album out. That's what I'm about. You know what I'm saying? I'm selling records. This is what I do for a living. I'm selling records. I didn't think it was going to be a matter of life and death. To the end of time. Broken wings. Need your hands to come and heal me once again. Once again. To the end of time.
Yeah, that's me, man. You never bang a gold spoon in the mouth, you know what I'm saying? You have to give God thanks, But God, God is good and God is great, you understand? So that's me, yeah. Money, Silver, Skalawa. West Side.